A lion in the room, says the Lion of Hesse Castle. That's the kingdom in Germany where they're from.
One down on the left. One down on the left. All right, go. Hold position relative to the flag. Dress to the left.
Keep right.
Dress on the colors. Bring it up in the center there. Battalion volley.
Rear right, step up.
Make ready.
Okay. Dad, wait.
Take aim. Fire. Grab a load. Let's go, lads.
Check right. On the left side. Left side. Rear right.
Battalion.
Grenadiers were introduced into the European army in the mid-17th century.
Make ready.
They were equipped with light muskets and
Take aim.
that were
Fire. Grab a load.
Waiting on the guys.
Yeah.
They're moving.
Shift the formation left.
Yeah, we'll dress down to your right a little bit. Battalion. I'd like to move forward.
We're asking for a gun down there.
No, because they're going to charge you.
Guys.
Oh, sorry. Can you see it? Let me know when we can move. Battalion! Make ready!
Ready.
Oh, they're moving. Take aim!
Up on that shoulder.
Fire! Grab a load! Let's go, lads. I gotta move.
Climb and load. Climb and load.
Come on, get it in and get it out.
Battalion! Forward! Forward! March!
Dress to the left. They got to keep picking the flag on the left.
Battalion! Halt! Get your musket on your shoulder.
Left. You're marching in the field.
Fire by platoons! Fire by platoons!
First platoon.
Sorry.
Take aim! Fire! On the load!
Okay, so I'm going to pull back. Hey, Kevin, can you bring my platoon?
I'm gonna get the spider off now.
So I went off too far off. The fishing wasn't there. We can have the army down here. Springfield got back.
Second platoon, make ready. Engage. Fire.
Go ahead and fire, Chris. Battalion! Cease fire. And move.
Oh, we lost one. That's probably the best idea.
We've lost a couple, actually.
If you carry the ball, I think.
Oh, they lost.
Waiting for them. They're rejoining. Battalion! Forward! Burn! Fire by platoon! Fire by platoon!
Take ready! Take ready! Fire! Real shot. Sound like one musket. Right, a lot of alibis that time. Make sure you're not double loading. Be very careful.
Actually, the only one that Two is the criteria? That's so low.
Take ready!
Stop! Come back!
Take ready! Pay attention. Fire! Forward! Revolution will live on!
Alright, I'm just gonna, Kevin, I'm just pushing.
Yeah, just push. Go.
Huzzah! They're turning!
Down the ceasefire. Moving. No fire. Oh. I gotta wait for them to reload.
Oh, they surrendered.
They surrendered?
Battalion! Forward! March!
Huzzah!
Rear rank, step up!
I know you're in charge.
Take care of fire by companies!
Rear rank, step up!
Companies. Where's company? That's you guys.
Take ready! Take ready! Take
Prime and load, quickly.
Guns are going to fire 3 rounds.
All right. Okay, well, we'll wait for them.
First company!
First company.
Ready! Rear rank, step up!
Prime and load.
Here they come. Oh!